Good morning. Phoebe got the last video, so here's Buddy for this one. But I'm going to put him down. I don't feel like holding him here for 5 minutes. So, okay, thanks, Bud. Good job. Don't cause trouble. Okay, so I've got a video here today of a trip I made with my daughter Emily. We were after my Nemesis bird. Hard to believe it's taken me this long to find that silly bird. For those of you who don't know what a Nemesis bird is, it's the bird that you've been looking for, maybe made several trips for, never can seem to find it. They just hide and make themselves scarce. I've made at least 5 trips specially for this bird and have never found it. But Em had the inside poop, so we're going after it. In addition, we went up through the Central Valley, the Carrizo Plain, and saw a few other things which I'll show you as well. They're pretty good. So wish me luck. I've been out to the desert in Lancaster at least 5 times with no luck. I've been to the thrasher spot in Arizona and only found a Swainson's hawk. These pretty Bell's sparrows share the same habitat as my Nemesis bird. Have you figured it out yet? I'll let you look at the Bell's sparrows a little bit longer while you think about it. Look, listen, there it is. In a field near Taft, California, early one morning, we found the LeConte's thrasher. I've been looking for that one a long time. LeConte's thrashers are a pale grayish brown with white under the throat and a buff color under the tail. Their range is restricted to Southern California, Southern Nevada, Western Arizona, and Northwestern Mexico. I'd made at least 4 trips trying to find them on my big year and been unsuccessful, so I was glad for Emily's help today. Yay! Now that the mission is complete, we can enjoy the day. Here's a pretty loggerhead shrike, and you can hear a western meadowlark singing in the background. Large flocks of horned larks were around. We must have seen several hundred during the day. They're so pretty. In theory, horned larks can be found year-round in California, but they sure are a lot easier to find in the winter or spring migration. We picked up a number of pretty western meadowlarks singing their beautiful song, which I must admit I enjoy a little more than the eastern meadowlark song. I think I enjoyed the song so much because it was one of the first songs I heard when I first moved to Montana many years ago. We found several small flocks of mourning doves, usually near the remnants of abandoned farms. Notice the sticks in this red-tailed hawk's talon. This is what it's working on. Savanna sparrows were plentiful out here in the brush. This area seems to be the only spot in California I feel confident in finding Vesper sparrows. Notice the white eye ring, the white on its tail. Emily even has a photo of this bird that shows the little bit of red on its shoulder. Say's phoebes are another pretty little bird of this area. In the winter, we get some down near where I live, near Los Angeles, but they're in this area year-round, particularly inland in California. These flycatchers never seem quite as active as their cousins, the black phoebe, but they're still fun to watch. Once again, I break my vow not to show house finches. I think pretty ones just seek me out. Pipits are easiest for me to find in the fall, but here's one getting ready to migrate north. I use the international name buff-bellied as it's more descriptive. Here's the bird I've been looking for after we found the thrasher, the mountain bluebird. These come down from the mountains in the winter, which makes them a little easier to find. First it was one, then a small group. Finally, there was a fairly good number that flocked together on a fence. What a joy to see them. Well, there you have it. My Nemesis bird, the LeConte's thrasher, conquered, and a number of other good birds besides. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like, thumbs up, and subscribe if you'd like to catch up with my videos and see them as they're released. For the bookworms amongst you, you can even purchase my books online. Thanks a lot for watching.